Namaste and good morning, my friend. I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Brilliant Study. Today we will study about the structure of benzene. So first of all, it is very necessary to know that what is benzene. Actually, benzene is an aromatic compound. Aromatic compound. Aromatic compound means the benzene has a cyclic structure and the double bond system are found in alternate way. That means we can say that the double bond are alternate to each other of the carbon atoms. And if we talk about the formula for benzene is C6H6. If we talk about the structure of benzene, then I want to tell you that about the structure of the benzene, it has been remain a complicated task for the scientist, but after a long effort, a scientist, his name is Kekulé. Kekulé suggests that the benzene will be a cyclic structure and the bond will be in alternate way. So we try to draw the structure of the benzene with the help of this formula. Here is the number of carbon atom is 6. So we draw 6 carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the number of hydrogen atom is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We all know that carbon is a tetravalent element. That means it will form 4 covalent bond. So first of all, try to find the bond of each carbon. For this 1, 2, 3. For this 1, 2, 3. For this 1, 2, 3. And in the same way 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But we all know that carbon must have 4 covalent bonds. So first of all, try with this carbon to make it tetravalent. For making it tetravalent, we put here a double bond. Then for this carbon atom, the number of total covalent bond will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this also 1, 2, 3, 4. But for this 1, 2, 3. So we will put another bond between this and this carbon atom. So in this way, what will be the number of carbon atom for this? What will be the number of bond for this? 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this 1, 2, 3, we will put another bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, the structure of benzene completes here. And we can draw the structure of benzene in another way also. Look a view to the another structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. For this structure, we start from this carbon atom. The number of hydrogen atom, the number of covalent bond will be 1, 2, 3, and we will put the double bond here between this and this. The number of total bond will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 1, 2, 3. So we will put another bond here. So here will be 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. For this 1, 2, 3, 4. For this 1, 2, 3. So we will put here double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for this also 1, 2, 3, 4. In this structure, you can easily see that the double bond for this structure, the double bond is between this and this, and for this structure the double bond is here. That means the double bond rotates in the structure, and this type of both the structure for benzene is right and correct, and you can write any structure of these two for the benzene. And with this theory, the structure of benzene completes here. So again I want to talk to you that if you find it better or if you find it benefitable, then like my channel, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to find the notification.